She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Grandma Alice and I'm going to show you how I cook my pineapple fried rice. It's a simple dish that I am sure you will enjoy. First, let's chop the chicken breast into small cubes. I only want a quarter of a piece of chicken breast, but you can use more if you like. Now chop 4 shallots into thin slices. Pour 2 egg yolks into 2 cups of rice. You can also use overnight leftover rice if you have. Mix. On high heat, pour in a good amount of oil into your pan. We are going to fry the shallots until crispy and brown. This is for garnishing. So oily. Now you can reuse your oil to saute 2 teaspoons of garlic. I added more oil. Add in the chicken. Now this is the key ingredient. Half a teaspoon of curry powder, which you can easily find in Jaya Grocer. Now add in the mixed vegetables. These are those frozen ones if you were wondering. Now add in the beautiful golden rice. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of my favorite mushroom seasoning, but if you don't have that, then just use salt. I added a teaspoon of salt here too. Now add the fish sauce, just agak-agak like me. And of course, the star of the show, pineapples. I used a quarter of a pineapple and chopped them into cubes. Now add the raisins in. And cashews. Oh, I'm just drizzling some soy sauce here for more flavor too. Yay, we are done. To really feel like you are being served in a restaurant, you can always recycle your pineapple like this. It's so fun to decorate. Add some chicken floss on top. Fried shallots. and chopped green onions. Again, how simple was that? You can also add prawns if you are a seafood lover. I am eating my pineapple rice and all the flavors are melting in my mouth. Yeah. You can trust my pineapple fried rice because I used to cook this in my Thai restaurant called Namprit in Supang Jaya more than 20 years ago. Sadly, it's not around anymore, but at least my recipe is here for you to try. Thank you for watching my video. I'm so touched by all the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to keep updated when I post a new video. Bye bye. See you. Love you all. Look what my goddaughter made for me. That's all ว่าขอลูกเอาเล่ไป